brand new automaker is about to turn the pickup truck segment upside down, and the price tag alone is going to stop a lot of people mid-scroll. If you've been eyeing a Ford Maverick as your next compact truck, hold that thought, because the Slate Truck is arriving with a value proposition that's genuinely hard to argue against. Here are 7 reasons you should wait for the Slate Truck. Number 7. Straightforward design. In a world where trucks are growing larger, heavier, and increasingly complicated, the Slate Truck is heading in the exact opposite direction. Its exterior is built from unpainted gray composite body panels. It's a deliberate, no-nonsense choice that keeps production costs down and opens the door to near-limitless personalization. The body is clean, angular, and purposeful. No chrome overload, no fake vents, no visual drama for the sake of it. Most truck buyers have experienced the frustration of watching an interior fall apart within the first couple of years. Cheap trim pieces, finicky touchscreens, fragile switches that stop working right when you need them most. The Slate Truck answers that differently. The dashboard carries physical HVAC controls, a small 4-inch digital cluster, and a universal phone mount. Nothing more than what you actually need. A low center console opens up the footwell, making the cabin feel larger than its dimensions suggest. Crank windows sound like a step backward, but they're a deliberate engineering choice. Fewer components to fail, fewer things to repair, and a truck that stays simple for the long haul. This is minimalist design with a clear purpose behind every decision, and that simplicity turns out to be the foundation for something most trucks can't offer at any price, which is where the next reason comes in. Number 6. Numerous configuration options. Most new trucks come in one shape. You pick a trim, pick a color, and that's largely it. The Slate Truck is built around a completely different model, and the level of flexibility is unlike anything else in the segment. Over 175 accessories are available at launch, covering everything from roof racks and cargo track systems to zip-on seat covers in multiple materials and power window modules. Think about how quickly a new truck purchase starts feeling generic once you see 3 identical ones in the same parking lot. The Slate Truck is specifically designed to avoid that. More than 100 wrap options are available, starting at $499 for the pickup configuration, and a complete color change is possible anytime the mood strikes, something no other truck on the market can claim. Audio upgrades, wheel swaps, grille covers, light upgrades, all of it is engineered around DIY installation, backed by Slate's own video tutorials and a growing installer network. The truck ships as a blank canvas, and what gets built from there is entirely up to the owner. That kind of personalization is impressive, but a truck you can make look exactly how you want still needs to perform, and the Powertrain story is more interesting than most people are expecting. Number 5. Efficient and decently powerful powertrain. The Slate Truck isn't chasing performance records, and it isn't pretending to. What it is offering is a single rear-mounted electric motor producing 181 horsepower and 195 pound-feet of torque, figures that fit the truck's mission precisely. Early ride-along reports note that the truck feels noticeably quicker than its estimated 8.0 second 0 to 60 time would suggest, partly because the pickup's curb weight sits at a relatively light 4,050 pounds by electric truck standards. For anyone who's watched a fuel gauge drop faster than expected on a daily commute, range anxiety is a real concern when considering any EV. The Slate addresses that with 205 miles of estimated range from a 63 kilowatt-hour lithium iron phosphate battery pack. That's enough to cover most people's weekly driving without a single charge stop. When recharging is needed, DC fast charging handles 20 to 80% in around 30 minutes, while a level 2 home setup covers the same window in roughly 4 hours. A capable powertrain is one piece of the puzzle, but what seals the deal for most truck buyers is whether the bed and storage actually work for real life, and that's exactly where things get interesting. Number 4. High-level utility. The Slate Truck is doing something the Maverick still hasn't managed, combining a usable bed with a proper front storage compartment. The bed measures 60.5 inches long with the tailgate closed, stretching past 80 inches with it down. Width between the wheel wells reaches 43.9 inches and total bed volume comes out to 35.1 cubic feet, more than the Maverick's 33.3. Anyone who has ever loaded a truck bed and then had to leave their tools, bag, or valuables exposed in plain sight knows exactly how limiting a single cargo zone can be. That's where the Slate's 7 cubic foot front trunk changes things. It's covered, it's lockable, and it's sitting right there ahead of the cabin, which is the ideal place for anything that shouldn't share the open bed with gravel, mulch, or construction debris. 2 separate cargo zones, a full-size tailgate, and a bed depth of nearly 20 inches, all packaged in a truck that parks without drama in a standard space. The utility picture is more complete than the price would ever lead you to expect, but a practical bed means very little if the truck can't handle a real load, so the next number is one worth paying close attention to. Number 3. Decent towing and payload. Compact electric trucks and meaningful work capability don't usually end up in the same conversation. The Slate Truck is pushing back on that assumption, at least within its category. Maximum payload capacity reaches 1,550 pounds in pickup configuration, holding up well against rivals like the Maverick, which is rated at 1,500 pounds. Towing capacity tops out at 2,000 pounds, enough to pull a personal watercraft, a small enclosed trailer, or a loaded utility setup for light job site work. For buyers who've spent years feeling like their compact car or crossover just wasn't up to the task when the weekend project demanded more, these numbers matter. A 1,550-pound payload means a truck bed full of mulch, lumber, or gear without constantly second-guessing the limits. 2,000 pounds of towing means the small fishing boat or the folding camper can actually come along. The Slate isn't positioning itself as a heavy-duty hauler. It's positioning itself as the truck that handles everything a typical owner actually asks of a truck, without charging them for capability they'll never use. And speaking of things most buyers never expected from a truck at this price, number 2 is something that genuinely changes the game. Number 2, it can also be an SUV. This is one of the more unexpected things the Slate Truck is bringing to the segment. 2 SUV conversion kits are available, a squareback and a fastback, priced at $5,000 and $7,000 respectively. Each adds a bed cap and a bracketed second row of seats, converting the 2-passenger pickup into a 5-seat SUV. The squareback starts at around $31,400. The fastback moves up to approximately $33,400. A lot of buyers have found themselves stuck between 2 vehicles they actually need, a truck for hauling on weekends and something with back seats for the rest of the week. That's usually a 2-vehicle problem with a 2-vehicle price tag. The Slate Truck is one solution to both sides of that equation. Rear legroom sits at 30.8 inches, tight but workable for shorter trips, and cargo volume jumps to 58.4 cubic feet with the rear seats folded, which is competitive with many conventional compact SUVs. The 2-door entry takes some adjustment, but for buyers who need extra seats a handful of times a month rather than daily, the setup makes real sense. What makes it particularly compelling is that the conversion goes both ways. Switch between pickup and SUV configurations as life demands change. Nothing else in this price range offers that kind of adaptability, and nothing in this price range competes on the one factor that's going to define the Slate Truck's place in the market. Number 1. Price. Everything discussed in this video means very little without the number that pulls it all together. The Slate Truck is arriving with a base price of around $26,500, including destination. That places it below the Ford Maverick, below the Nissan Leaf, and below virtually every other new EV currently on the US market. The SUV configurations top out at approximately $33,400, still competitive against compact SUVs that offer far less flexibility and no truck capability at all. New vehicle prices have climbed steadily for years, and for a lot of buyers, the math stopped working a long time ago. The Slate Truck is built specifically for that group, people who need capable, reliable, everyday transportation without financing a 6-figure truck to get it. A 63 kilowatt-hour battery, 175 plus accessories at launch, a 10-year powertrain warranty, and the ability to convert between a pickup and an SUV, all of that is arriving under $27,000 in base form. What the Slate Truck is putting together is a package that the compact truck market hasn't seen before. Purposeful simplicity in the design, broad personalization through a 175-plus accessory catalog, a powertrain backed by a class-leading 10-year warranty, dual cargo zones that outwork the competition, genuine towing and payload numbers, and the ability to convert between a pickup and a 5-seat SUV, all sitting below $27,000 at its entry point. It isn't trying to be everything to everyone, and that's precisely what makes it worth watching. But the Slate isn't the only new model that's about to challenge Maverick's dominant market position. A few more novelties are coming, including Nissan's $22,000 truck you can check out in our next video. Genuine truck construction, excellent capabilities, and old-school tech are features you won't find anywhere else in this price range.